Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Hayward TigerShark QC quick clean model. I'm really excited about this. Let's rip open the box and see what's inside. This is the power center for the robotic vacuum. There's a few small pieces in the box here, and these are optional extra items that the vac may or may not need depending on your exact pool. This little piece here would be for a high velocity suction intake. This would make the vacuum more aggressive at picking up fine debris. This would also help if you have something like main drains and you find that the vacuum is getting stuck over top of the main drains. Adding this piece onto the bottom of the vacuum would help to alleviate that problem. One of the most important parts about using this vacuum is making sure that the cord remains tangle-free. And how does that work exactly? Well, as you can see here, the handle moves like this. So every time you put this into the pool, you're going to reverse the direction. So right now I'm going to put it in the pool like this. Next time, like that. And the reason you do this is this will change the direction that this unit will turn in. If we always kept it the same way, it's going to always turn in the same direction and it's going to make the cord tangle. By reversing this, every time we use it, that's what keeps this cord tangle-free. Another tip for tangle-free cords, because a tangled cord is one of the bigger complaints somebody might have about a robotic pool vacuum. If you keep the cord coiled up tightly like this all the time, it's going to develop a memory. It would be a good idea to periodically stretch the cord out straight in the sun. That'll help a lot towards a tangle-free cord robotic vacuum experience. One of the main points of maintenance for this unit is going to be taking the filter set out and rinsing this thoroughly after every time you use the robotic vacuum to run a cycle. You don't want to leave this full of debris every time you're running the vacuum. You want this to be clean every time. That's it. We're ready to go. Quick clean is the default setting it will start with. That is the 1.5 hour cycle. If I want to do a full cycle, when I'm on quick clean already, I would hit the full cycle button. But for now, I want to do the quick clean 1.5 hours and see how well it's able to clean this gigantic 20 by 40 pool. you can see just how much this vacuum agitates the water, because look at that. Look at the amount of water movement at the surface here. That's what really enables this vacuum to do a lot of deep cleaning. And there's the waterline scrubbing. It's important when you're pulling on the cord here, it moves very easily through the water. It's not, I wouldn't lift it out of the water. I'm just negotiating it over to the edge where I can grab a hold of the handle. Now we need to clean out the filters. And now we are ready for the next time that this needs to be used.